Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. So today we are doing a crock pot. Yes, crock pot. Listen, don't judge me. I was texting and I was texting crock pot and it was changing it to crack pot. Like why? What? Why would you do that? Crock pot. So of course it's in my head. I'm like crack pot. Oh my god. Okay, but anyway, today we are doing crock pot roast beef. I love this recipe just because you get to just like throw it in there and it's in there for like hours, and you get to just like set it, forget it, like Ron Popeil. Yeah, and then you're good. It smells so good in here. So I'm just gonna like show you clips of the steps that I do, and we're gonna go from there. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming back here and watching me, and I hope you guys have had a great weekend, and I will see you when I wrap it up. Okay. Okay, you guys, that's it. I'm going to show you some after pics because it was kind of a process. So I will show you some after pics, and that's it. Hope you enjoy it, and hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing amazing and having a wonderful 2021 so far. And I will see you next time. Bye.